Today I'm checking out this EV charger. We are going to use this with our volts. It comes in this really nice, portable carrying case. I really like that. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what it comes with. And unzip it. And it's nice. It's got a pocket here for the manual. Go ahead and take all of this stuff apart. Says the manual for it. This is the Vevor Tough Tools half price. I agree with that. And looks like a pretty comprehensive manual. Yeah, so multi-languages. It comes with this adapter, which is great because if you're not going to be plugging it into a 20 amp outlet, it's going to be a regular 15 amp outlet, which we are going to be using. This adapter is going to be needed to do that. It comes with a wall mount where you can just slide it into the wall when you're using it, or you can just pull it out and take it with you. So that's really good. And then this is the main unit here. Really nice, sturdy system. Looks like it could take a beating if it needed to, but hopefully you're not beating these up. But, going back and forth from your trunk to the wall and things like that can take its toll on some of these. So it's nice that this one's nice and rugged. So let me get the rest of all this plastic taken off and we'll check it out. We'll go install it. All right, so now that I've got all the plastic off everything, it comes with a really nice plug, as you can see here. We're going to be using this with our Chevy Volt, and really nice. And it comes with this nice housing. Again, there's the wall holder here. It comes with this little mount here, so you can mount it to hold the cables and everything. It even comes with the screws that you're going to need to mount it if you're going to go into sheetrock or to a stud. And then again, all the other stuff. So let's go ahead and get this in the garage, get it mounted up, and test it out on the volts. All right, so we've got this charger mounted in the garage now. I've got it plugged in, and it's got the adapter on it here. So it is plugged in, and the first thing you'll want to do is set your ampage. So if you press this A button here, you're going to see this little like electrical looking thing here. It's going to blink based upon what setting it's on. So if it blinks 4 times, it's the highest. 3 times, it's the next step down. 2 times, and then 1 time. 1 time is 8 amps. That's where we're going to put it at because we have 2 volts and they both charge at the same time. So we don't want to overload our circuits. So if you press A, there's 4. That's the highest setting at 16 amps. Press A again. That's 12 amps, I think. Again, it's 10. And 1 blink, and now it's at 8 amps. And that's what we're going to run it as. And this also has an app. If you want to download the app, you can come in here and press these 2 buttons. It goes through the manual on how to set up the app. But we're going to go ahead and plug this into the car and make sure it charges up well. So here we are with my son's Volt, and plugs in no problem. And on his car, you basically watch the dash, and that blinking light says it's connected and charging when it needs to. I think he has a full charge, but it is showing it's connected and charging. So very cool. Another thing I really like about this charger, it has a really long cable. Way more than we probably need, but it's got a really long cable. So sometimes if you're in those hard to reach areas, you'll have enough of this cable to reach it. You also, again, have this little piece here. We don't need it because we already have one of these by the charger area where they hang. But if you need a place to mount this on the wall, it will hold your charger cable when you're not using it on your car. So yeah, really cool charger. It shows you right here that, the car is charging. It's plugged in and charging. So very cool. It's going to do everything we need it to do. And I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.